Hello, this is Teresa. Back in 2004, I created Dreamscape Designs, which is a landscape design, installation, and maintenance company servicing both Massachusetts and Rhode Island, and still going strong today. Then in 2014, I began lecturing and educating on various gardening topics to garden clubs, Newport Flower Show, and other groups. In 2017, I introduced the Creative Workshop series, which we provide hands-on instruction on gardening-related projects at local venues. Then finally in 2018, our biggest venture to date, we created the annual Pamperpalooza event, which showcases vendors which provide services and products that help to make your life easier. This also includes a fashion show, DJ, Chinese raffles, and 100% of the admission does go to a local nonprofit organization. This event has been rescheduled to March of 2021. And now for our big announcement and our biggest venture, and I'm really excited about this, but you're going to have to wait a little bit longer. We're not quite ready to announce it yet. Please like and follow Dreamscape Designs on Facebook. Share this information with your friends. You're not going to want to miss it. Really excited about this. Take care.